G'day, George here. Super excited to be here to tell you today about the application that we've now developed in collaboration with the people who develop the software behind our training platform. This app is something that can be downloaded to any device, whether it be an Apple device or an Android device, it doesn't really matter. It can also be used on phones and as well as iPads and the larger devices. What you see on these when you download and install is going to be identical in every case. Now, what I want to do in this video is very quickly show you what you do to actually log into it and what you actually see when you open your account and get access to the content that you've got in or active on your account in the 9 Skills Factory platform. First of all, to access the app, all you simply do is you go to 9skillsfactory.com/app, and if you sent that link to your device, whether it be through a text or whatever, well, that's going to allow you to open the page and click on the relevant download link so that you can go to either the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, I think it is, for the Android devices. And then you just simply download it, right? It doesn't cost you anything to download, nor does it cost you anything to actually utilize it. Now, once you've downloaded it, and all the information that I'm going to run through here very quickly is also on that web page, 9skillsfactory.com/app. Now, once you've got the app, when you open it, you're not going to have an account active in it. What you're going to do is you click on the Add New button, and it simply asks you to input your details, and these are going to be your login details for the 9 Skills Factory platform. So whatever you use as a user ID and password to log into 9 Skills Factory, you do exactly the same here. The only thing that you do differently is down the bottom where it says site domain, you just simply type in 9SF. And if you click that in there, that's going to direct you specifically to our platform. Then you just click add, and then voila, you've got access to your account. Now, once you've got access, you're going to see what you see on the screen here. It's a little image, rectangular image there, that if you click it, it's going to open up your account. At the top, it's going to say you're at the 9 Skills Factory training dashboard, and to open a course, click on the icons below. At the top, we've got the forum, and then as you scroll through, every single course that you are given access to, whether it be through manual registration or through purchase, is going to be listed here. It's going to be the main course icon at the front. And all you simply do is you choose the course that you want to access. So let me just scroll back to the top. Let's just say we want access to the Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt program, right? I might go to Yellow Belt program part 1. When I click on that icon, it's going to open it, and in there it's going to take you to the main dashboard, or the first page that's within that course. Now, on the computers, you might see a list of lessons in there. The app doesn't show those lessons, but if you click on the next down the bottom right-hand side, or up the top left-hand side, there's 3 little bars which tells you there's a little menu there. If you click on that, it actually shows you the different modules with lessons in it laid out in a list. And all you simply do is you click on the first one if you want to go to that one, and it's going to open that particular page and a series of lessons within that page. So the only thing that we have within this particular website is pages and lessons. And that little menu list up the top is what gives you access to the various pages that contain those lessons. Now, to open a lesson, you just simply click on the plus sign, the lesson opens, and then you can play the video, right? Just simply click. That's pretty much it. If you want to get out of that course, you can go back to the dashboard if you want to go back to the start again, or you can just simply click on the exit button in that little drop-down list, and that takes you back to your dashboard. And all of the courses are pretty much the same. If you have access to full programs like the Self-Paced Green Belt, or the Pro Coaching program for Green Belt, or the Black Belt, or the Master Black Belt, whatever the case may be, when you click on those particular courses, right, those particular dashboards, that's a consolidation of all the different lessons that you've got courses contained within the overall program. So the one that you see here is the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt Self-Paced program, right? It gives you a welcome information at the top, you get your downloads there, and as you scroll through, you pretty much see the same thing you're going to see on a computer if you log in through some sort of browser. And then let's just say we want to open the first course, Lean Practitioner. I would just simply click on the blue button there, and that automatically opens that particular course, right? You get your welcome information at the front end, If I want to go through the courses, I just click on next. And then it's taking me through each of the pages. So the first page has got 4 lessons and an assessment. Right, click next, go to the next lesson and assessment, click next, go to the next module, and so on. To exit that course, I just simply click on exit on the left. Before I do that, you notice up the top the tracking around lessons completed. In this case, I've completed 5 out of 24 lessons and 1 of the 12 quizzes that are in here, or assessments. So I just simply go back to the exit, and I can exit that course and go back to the beginning if I want. But there you have it. That's all of the information that you need in relation to this particular application. The only other thing I will point out is the 9 Skills Factory forum. Right, when you open that, you've got access to certain parts of this particular forum, and we've got general topics, technical question and answer, threads, get updates around the 9 Skills Factory dashboard, and that's pretty much focused on members. And then we've got people who are doing business improvement project coaching work. Then in there are conversations and streams of conversations about different parts of leading a project. But we're going to build that forum up to the point where it'll be something where you can go to as a resource if you have access to certain parts of it. But that's it. That's the app. Don't forget, go and download it, get the instructions on how you log in, 9skillsfactory.com/app, and it will give you access to any content that you have active on your account on the 9 Skills Factory. So there you go. See you in another video. Bye-bye.